Perfect timing. Okay, so to remove the front case, you basically just put some pressure on that and this comes off. It's basically just held in place by two divots here. Your brake system, if it has 3 screws in a triangular shape, and along the back here, see how this has got a rack and pinion system? If it's not rack and pinion, if it's a rubber ring, it means it's the old brake system and will need to be replaced. So if it's the rack and pinion system, it just needs to be adjusted. So what you need to do is remove the 2 outer screws on the ring, leave the center screw in place, and what will happen now is the entire string column will come out. That sits on this brake activation mechanism. You can basically just put this aside. I'll just put it over here for the moment so it's out of the way. You will see here these rack and pinions intersect with this post, which is what engages the brake. So when the brake is disengaged, this metal bracket comes down like that. That means the brake is disengaged. When you try and push this up, you'll notice it won't go up because on the back of this wheel up here, there is like the easiest way to describe it is like a cheese wedge at the back, and that cheese wedge, which only encompasses a small section of the wheel, comes behind and hits this metal bracket. So if I roll it back, see if I push it up now, it's just push that wheel out of the way, because if I push it here, the back section will push the metal down. What you will find is that the cheese wedge at the back is not in the right position, which means the brake can't engage properly, which is why the thing keeps falling down. So what you want to do is you can rotate this back as much as you like, but what you want to do is you want to have it so that it disengages after 1 click. So 1 click, that's fine. 2nd click, it forces the brake off. That's where you want to calibrate the wheel to. So back to about there. If you have it too far back, it will cause it to sit there and jitter, and then the claw will fall, which is not what you want it to do. You want it to disengage within 2 clicks. So click 1, click 2, and now it's disengaged. So roll it back up, and then we'll just give it 1 click space there. Then that is now in its braked position, which is where the string should be totally up and engaged. So what you would do is you take your ring back, and you would actually push the claw all the way up, take up all the slack, and then put the ring back onto the cog, so that when it's in the brake position, the thing is all the way up the top. Then you can reinstall the screws. So now, when this turns, it'll go click once, then it will click 2 and disengage the brake, and the claw will come down. Then when it winds it back up, it'll go all the way, and then when it pulls it, this top section comes up and re-engages the brake in the correct spot. That should be it.